Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I did post earlier today about a switch that I found, and I've been tracing it back to try to figure out where does it go. And what that switch does is when you press it, I don't know if you can hear my meter or you can see my meter here. I apologize for the lighting, but this is my clip to my meter. It's going to ground, and here's the other probe. And I push this switch, it shorts out, which means it makes a logic low, like I was talking about in my other videos. You got logic high and you got logic low. When you press this switch down, it makes the pin, or actually this white wire, a logic low, or grounds the pin, which is interesting because this goes to the connection on the side here that you plug in your cables. And I tried, when I plug this in, there must be a circuit board in here of some sort. Because when I plug this in and try to measure to see where does it go out to here, as you know, there's only four I don't want to say pins, but four slots, areas, however you want to call it, on the USB. You got one that's power, one that's ground, and two other ones are data. But obviously there must be a circuit board in here, because when I measure with my own meter to try to figure out if it goes out to here, I don't get no readings out here. So there's some type of a board in here. Of course, I can't take this apart without ruining it, so I don't want to do that. But so it grounds out the white wire. That's what it does. So it makes something a logic low, as they say in the digital world. Now maybe this ain't nothing. I don't know. Like I said, I asked to see what it is. I'm curious. I still think it's something to do with programming, and I don't know if this cable, would work, or if it's a different cable you got to get. I don't know. Probably won't lead to anything, but that's what it does. It makes the circuit be logic low, which is interesting. Yeah. So, and you can see the meter there. If you can't hear it beeping, you can see that it goes pretty much a short when I press that button. So, yep. At any rate, like I said, I apologize for the lighting. Hope you can see my other probe. I just got it clipped on to the ground on the PL259 connector. Ground is ground. It don't matter where you tap it from. It doesn't matter. It's still ground. So, and I know a few people kind of like my GMRS videos, that I have more GMR stuff on it, and I apologize for that. I'll get back on track here. This is kind of GMRS related in a way, but nevertheless, I'll get back on track when I get all this sorted out, and we'll be doing more videos with more GMRS technical stuff, whether it's antennas or whatever else it is. If you got any suggestions for a video, please post them down in the comments. I will try my best to make that video if it's reasonable possible. But I'll do my best. So, at any rate, that's where we're at here. It grounds out a pin, makes it a logic low, and I'll see if I can find out more information. Any comments or questions, please post them down below, and please subscribe, and thank you, and have a good day.